The terms home automation or smart home are everywhere. We hear it with our customers all the time. The question is, what is home automation? Home automation is all about possibilities. What if at night when you armed your security system, all your doors locked? What if your shades open at dawn and closed at dusk automatically? How about the system automatically turning up or down the temperature depending on the time of year, you coming in the house, or just when you go to bed? And what about controlling lighting by your time of day, the bright white blue light that you work with, or at night when you want to relax, more of an orange glow? Automate the lights to come on and off when you want, at the speed you want, and with the color temperature that you want. So we've shown a lot of different options and possibilities with home automation, but the beauty of this is that they can all work together. One thing can trigger everything else. One button can make everything happen that we've shown you. It's endless possibilities, and it's just up to your imagination.